Today, a momentary sigh of relief for frontline healthcare workers who have seen so many colleagues and families suffer for the last 10 months. The first of millions of shots necessary to end this pandemic are now in the arms of Bay Area residents. It was the shot the Bay Area has waited 10 very long months to see.
Today marks a milestone in our efforts.
San Francisco General administered the first COVID-19 vaccines to frontline healthcare workers today. The first shot going to Dr. Antonio Gomez, who's treated some of the city's most critically ill COVID-19 patients.
We have seen patients who have had to go through this process alone, and that is a very difficult thing to deal with when you're on the front line.
He says he's convinced Pfizer's vaccine is safe and highly effective.
I wouldn't have administered it on myself if I didn't think it was safe.
What's not safe is the record number of new COVID cases across the state and country, a surge that this vaccine won't be able to slow for months.
To be clear, this is hope, but we don't even have enough doses to cover all of our healthcare professionals.
Still, the excitement among frontline workers is clear.
We're ready. We're really ready. It's exciting living history right now.
Dr. Desi Kodis is responsible for vaccine distribution at UCSF, which is set to start its vaccination program tomorrow.
We're not just vaccinating doctors and nurses. We're vaccinating those who transport patients, those who are in environmental services and keep our areas clean, our UC police that are first responders, anybody that's on the team.
UCSF expects to administer 4,000 to 5,000 doses of the COVID vaccine in the next 2 weeks and hopes the next vaccine from Moderna will be approved later this week. In San Francisco, Lili Tan, NBC Bay Area News.
Okay.